In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to create a 3D embossed metal style effect. This effect makes your footage look like it has engraved or raised edges, similar to metal embossing. Let's get started. First, select your clip on the timeline. Now go to the effects panel and search for Color Emboss. Drag and drop the effect onto your clip. Next, open the Effect Controls panel. Here you'll see a few settings that control how the emboss effect appears. Now start with the direction option. This controls the direction of the virtual lighting that creates the embossed appearance. Changing this value will move the highlights and shadows around the edges of objects. Next, adjust the relief value. Relief controls how strong the embossed effect appears. Increasing this value makes the raised edges more visible and pronounced. Now adjust the contrast setting. Higher contrast will make the embossed edges stand out more clearly. Finally, you can adjust blend with original if you want to mix some of the original footage back into the image. This helps retain more details from the original video. Play the clip and fine-tune the settings until the embossed metal effect looks the way you want. And that's it. You've successfully created a 3D embossed metal effect using the Color Emboss effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.